Yo, 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 yo. As always, wonderful and beautiful, glorious day it is. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the day the Lord has made. Let us all rejoice and be glad in it. It is a super. Y'all got to excuse me on my voice. Man, we had a great, I was coaching basketball earlier today, and I'm going to coach my boys every single second, every single possession, offense and defense, baseline, sideline, every single way, and we pulled out that win. Uh, Pretty rough first half, but the second half we came out with it. But it's a super Saturday. Absolutely, it is. It is February 22nd, 2025. Right, this is your weekly trade watch list. All right, and we're coming up next week. Be the ending of 2 months. Completed 2 months already for the full year. All right. Have you stuck to your New Year's resolutions? Have you stuck to your goals? If not, you can start now. You can start in this breath, in this moment. It's not about what has happened. It's what is about. It's about what's going to happen. All right. So we're looking at Bitcoin, right? And I'm more focused on trading these M's and W's, which are basically theoretically harmonic patterns, because that's how the market moves in a harmonic pattern fashion, right? A glorified M or W. All right, glorified M or W. All right, so this is how you really map it out. And this is Bitcoin on the M5 time frame. Okay, so right here is a divergence and change of character. Okay, and we're putting it on the M5 time frame on purpose. All right, so this would be the change of character right here. That's the change of character area. Bullish change of character. Why? Because this right here is the last high that did what? Refill the imbalance. And it came down and did what? Broke this low and created this low. The market then came back up, created a high. This lower high did not come back down here and create a new low. It respected the demands, also went bullish. So this right here is an internal break of structure. That's internal because it's in the inside. External will be right here on the outside. All right. So this is an internal break of structure. This is a 5-minute change of character because you can see how the market is doing what? Slanting lower right here, which is a divergence, and it's slanting upward on the RSI in the same exact direction, right? So this right here could be what? A possible a pivot, right? For a possible harmonic pattern. Divergences. Divergences, divergences. All right. Divergences tell a story. They're the pivots in the market. All right. So boom. Now, what would I do as far as marking out and mapping out market structure? You can take the little highlighter on the feature. You can say, hey, this is a low. You can say this is a high. This is a low. The market broke structure right here internally, caused a change of character externally. Okay. So now you have all these imbalances that need to be filled. So you have one, I could say this right here. Market pushed up, broke structure. This right here is a break of structure internally. I suggest that you put templates up like this so you don't have to type it up all the time. You can save you a template. All right. So now the market went up. It hasn't been balanced here. So what we'll do is this. Mark this area out like this. Because that's an imbalance. Nothing has came back to touch this area. Okay. So what we see is, okay, the market led to this high, came back and refilled this imbalance. Okay, broke structure, had this high, came back, refilled this imbalance. It broke structure, popped up, created this high. This imbalance has been refilled. Okay, cool. This broke structure right here. So now you can see all of this right here. You can do it just like this. Okay. This created this high, came low, nothing came back and refilled this imbalance. Create that high, low, this imbalance is being refilled. High, low, this imbalance is being refilled. High, low, this imbalance is being refilled. Break a structure right here. All of these are breaking structures. Boom, break a structure. Boom, boom, break a structure. It's a game of following the leader. Boom, break a structure. All right. So now nothing has came back to refill this. This is on a 1 minute time frame. This is a divergence and a change of character in order to go back up and break this old high and create a new one. All right. That's exactly what it is. So now what I'll do is this. Let me go ahead and zone this area out because nothing has came back to touch it. Like that. Nothing has came back to touch it. No buy. Nothing has came back to refill this imbalance. Okay. So I zone that out. So now you got all of this, right? The market diverged, changed character right here, and went up higher. So now I could be looking to do what? The market can bounce off as a buy right here. The market could come back and refill this imbalance. The market could possibly come back and refill this imbalance. So what I'll do is have those alerts set up because you can see, I can almost see that this is attempting to be a M. So I'm looking at it like this from this standpoint. This creating this high, X to A. This is B. This right here being C. And D probably coming somewhere down here. Retracement and then shoot through. So what I'm looking at is D probably buying Bitcoin from this particular area. Because I told you the market is going to be some type of harmonic pattern, some type of M or some type of W. So this is exactly what I'm seeing. I see that the market could potentially go bullish from this particular area. So what I'll do is create an alert and say M5 demand zone right here in this particular area. Because I know this imbalance hasn't been refilled. Now, with confirmation, I could definitely get confirmation-based sales and sell it down there. Okay? That's what I can do. So what I'll do now is this. This is a divergence, a change of character right here. Okay? So then this low, I can say this low led to this high, came back this low led to this high. So now the market started going bearish, right? So now you got this W right here. See this W? Boom. Refill the imbalance, sold off, broke structure. So now you're looking at it like this. Okay. Start drawing it up. Cool. Mitigate it. M5 supply zone, lower high. Did what? Broke structure. Low, lower high. There's a high, low, lower high. Boom. Here's a BOS. 5-minute breaking structure below. Okay, then this low came back, refilled this. Did what? Had a BOS. I get anal about my charts, about my drawings. Got to be clean. All right. So we have this being mitigated. right? That supply zone being mitigated. Okay, cool. Got to build a story. Now we have what? Since this created a breaker structure and this created this low, market comes back up, refills that imbalance, and creates a what? Another low. Now, the thing about it is it's supposed to create another low. So it hasn't created a new low yet. So we're anticipating that the market is going to take out this low and create a new low. That's the anticipation because of what the market has been doing, right? You see the impulsive move, mitigation leads to a BOS. Impulsive move, mitigation leads to what? BOS. Impulsive move, refill it, mitigation. Now the anticipation is for it to do what? Lead to a BOS. Like I said, this is an area of interest. We know that this is unmitigated. This is an area of interest that did what? Caused a break of structure. And the buyers do have an opportunity to be able to buy from this area. They have the opportunity because this may not want to be a harmonic pattern, but just in case, because this would be the change of character. If the market breaks through here and it doesn't respect this demand zone, this will be the change of character area. All right. So my voice. So as of right now, we don't have this supply zone right here being refilled as of right now. You can see how this could look like an internal M. So, but this supply zone is not being refilled yet. So, so this is a possible lower high, and we're anticipating for the market to break this low and create a new low. See if the market may want to create a W off of this. Goodness. One too many trades taken by myself this week. So this is basically what we're looking at on Bitcoin and M5 time frame. Just going to read and react and map up the market for what it is. It's clean. It's clean charting. Clean charting. Not to worry about no EMAs and golden cross and things of that nature. You don't have to worry about that. You just got to understand how a market moves. So what I'm going to do is definitely zone this out like this because that's an unmitigated engulfing candlestick on the M15. And the buyers can definitely come in from this particular area until proven otherwise. This right here on the M1 time frame, divergence, change of character. Watch. Look at it without even looking at the RSI. This is slanting lower, and this is the change of character area. Look at it. You got to understand what I'm telling you. You got to understand divergence is a market structure. Is market structure, and then you got to understand that when the market creates these A B C D E triangles, it's a divergence as well. It's a pivot. It's pivots in the market. This is left unmitigated for a reason. This is left unmitigated for a reason. Right here, both of these. So we have to be better detectives. And all I'm doing is drawing my zones out of what could possibly happen. Because this can definitely get liquidated. The market break through here, and the market go bullish from here, go back to the supply zone, then sell off. Absolutely 100% possible. Like I said, the market is always forming some type of MOW. So what we have is this: impulsive move, refillment leads to a BOS. Impulsive move, refillment leads to a BOS. Impulsive move, refillment, and we're seeing if this is going to lead to a BOS. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a horizontal ray for a 15-minute demand zone. See if the bulls want to come in from here. We could possibly take a trade. I don't know when it's going to happen. It may not. It may happen when we're not even on live, but we're going to get that situated. We don't miss trades. Set alerts. Wait for confirmations. If it's not it, don't take it. You gotta put in your mind, you don't miss trades. Oh, by the way, ordered a new book. New book came in. Had another book coming in called Scalable, but I forget the author name. But definitely, this is a if you're interested in having your money making money for you, which I am interested in that. I'm going to be interested in that. I am studying to become an investor. Right. Always studying, always reading. And this is forwarded by Warren Buffett. It says, by far the best book on investing ever written. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. It's been updated. Thick book. There's over 500 pages of this material. Says on the back, the greatest investment advisor of the 20th century, Benjamin Graham, taught and inspired people worldwide. Graham's philosophy of value investing, which shields investors from substantial error and teaches them to develop long-term strategies, has made the Intelligent Investor the stock market Bible ever since its original publication in 1949. Over the years, market developments have proven the wisdom of Graham's strategies. While preserving the integrity of Graham's original text, this revised edition includes updated commentary by noted financial journalist Jason Zweig, whose perspective incorporates the realities of today's markets, draws parallels between Graham's examples and today's financial headlines, and gives readers a more thorough understanding of how to apply Graham's principles. Vital and indispensable, this Collins Business Essentials edition of The Intelligent Investor is the most important book you will ever read on how to reach your financial goals. Benjamin Graham, 1894 through 1976, the father of value investing, has been an inspiration for many of today's most successful business people. He is also the author of Security Analysis and the Interpretation of Financial Statements. Jason Swig writes the Intelligent Investor column weekly for the Wall Street Journal, previously a senior writer at Money Magazine, a guest columnist at Time, and a senior editor at Forbes. He has written about investing since 1987. So this thing is The Intelligent Investor. Thick book, 500 some pages. Worth of information. So like I said, you're interested in learning how to have your money work for you. This is going on my Forex and investing book collection. This is what this Intelligent Investor book. I also have a book right here. Just because I order a book doesn't mean I start reading it right away. I don't do that. Order the book. I'll get to reading it whenever I start reading it. Only God knows. But I also have this book right here by Justin Donald. Ordered this a few weeks ago. The Lifestyle Investor, the 10 Commandments of Cash Flow Investing for Passive Income and Financial Freedom. Now, the book that I'm currently reading right now is How to Invest into Multifamily Properties, like how to create lifetime cash flow through multifamily properties by Rod Cleef, real estate expert who has the #1 ranked real estate podcast. And also in this, how to create lifetime cash flow through multifamily properties, it has a 90-day action plan in the back of the book. So after they give you all of the sauce, you got a 90-day action plan included in the back of the book on a week-by-week basis, what you're supposed to be doing in order to get into investing into multifamily properties, of you actually being the person that's managing the property, and new rules of real estate investing. And 90-day action plan included in the back of the book. I'm almost finished reading the book. I think I got right at 100 pages left, or a little less than 100 pages. So I'll be finished reading the book before the month is over with. So there'll be a new personal record for me, because this is the third book that I'm reading this month. I've already read Rich Dad Poor Dad and Cash Flow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki. So this is the third book that I'm reading this month. So y'all gotta understand, reading is my thing. I keep a book with me. I go grocery shopping with a book, because my thing is every single thing that I do, I have a book with me. Let's see, if I'm bathing in the tub, I got a book with me versus having my phone or my tablet. Unless I understand some people like Audible, or they read their things on Amazon Kindle, stuff like that. It's not what I'm talking about. Because you can read, technology has expanded to what it is today. You can read those things on those devices. Me personally, I like having the physical copy. I like being one with the book, touching the book, feeling the book, smelling the book, being able to be absorbed and immersed in the information, if that makes sense. Because God forbid, technology has its day, just like human beings. If I'm unable to access it on a tablet or some type of Wi-Fi enabled device, I have the physical copy. There's nothing stopping me from reading the physical copy. But Audible can shut down and have some issues going on with it. Your Amazon Kindle, Amazon can have some issues going on with it, but there is no obstruction of having the physical copy of a book. There's no obstruction. Because I even got me a book light. There's no obstruction. All right. So that's why I like having a physical copy. I prefer to have a physical copy. My personal preference. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. I'll go ahead and put M5 supplies on right here. Don't know. I don't have any idea what the market's gonna do. I just set up my zones and I react. once they hit. Read and react. Wait patiently. Now gold. Let's see what gold. Erase this. Hello?
You not done yet?
No, I'm not.
How long you gonna be?
I've only been on here for 25 minutes. 26 minutes.
Fine, you been up there since 7:30. What you been doing?
Like I said, I only been up here for 26 minutes. Been on live for 26 minutes. I'm about to wrap it up. And the thing about it is, I normally don't get off until 9 anyway. I didn't go live right away.
Okay, bye.
Anyway, wasn't going to stop the live for that. So, um, let's see. Okay, market came back here, refilled this, diverged, changed character, broke structure, came back down, tapped into here, this low, did not break up above here and create a new high, came back. So we went bearish officially. Officially went bearish on gold. So now what I'll be looking for is price coming back to this particular area right here to probably sell off of it, because this is the impulsive move that did the refilling and led to a break of structure. So I'll be more programmed to looking towards this for sale on gold next week, this upcoming week. So here's the deal. Let me mark it out for you. So market came to this particular area. Bam, bam. Create a higher low off it. Change character right here. Broke structure. I can see the divergence. It's right here. And this point right here is a change of character. You can see how price diverged literally. Right? Change character. Cool. All good. Be able to read the story. All right. So boom. This ended up being a break of structure. Okay, this low led to this high. Market came back down, respected this low. But this low didn't take care of its business and create a new high. Stopped right here. So now what you'll do is this. Since this popped up here, broke below here, and created a break of structure. Let me see, because this could be a so this sell right here could possibly come to this one. This imbalance right here. Because, okay, I can see, let's see, this right here has been mitigated. This right here has been mitigated. All right. Stop right here, sold off, and it popped up. So we got imbalance. Let's see. Gotta be able to read the story. So this is not covered. So this is an area of interest where the buyers can come in from this particular area. Could be a nice sell towards this area right here. Let's see what's up. Mitigation. Popped up. Okay. Refilled. Broke structure. Refilled. Didn't break structure. Okay, so this thing sold off from here. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on the 1 hour supply zone. Okay, but M15, we can see the imbalance. We can see the mitigation on the M15. Cool, bet. All right, so this leads to a BOS right here. Break a structure. And so now we got to be able to read the story. So now internally, we've gone back bullish internally. So you can see what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark it on the, I could leave it on the M15. But what I'm going to do is put on the M5 so everybody don't get confused. So what we're saying is this. Okay, this high led to this low. Right now, internally, we're bullish. Go back to the M5. Here's your M. And then here's your BOS internally. All right. So now you see the divergence. You see price change character. Okay. So now what I can see is that this divergence and the change of character right here, I see this redistribution on the inside, which is right here, this unmitigation of this particular area right here. So this could turn out to be a glorified W. This could turn out to be a W and push back up, either sell from here or sell from this imbalance right here and then sell off. This could be some type of W. You just have to wait and see when the market opens up. So the only thing unmitigated would probably be this 1 minute imbalance right here. This right here is a divergence and a change of character. But that's the only thing that I can see. Let's see. As far as anything else, Yeah. We have to see what the market wants to do. It probably wants to sell off and refill this imbalance. You have to see what's up, but that's definitely a divergence and a change of character. Because why? This is the last imbalance that did the refilling of this one, broke this structure, created this high. Market came back down. It didn't respect its demand zone. That's a change of character. So now you're thinking, okay, maybe it wants to go bullish now and refill one of these impulsive move imbalances. So possible sale, internal sale coming on gold before it reaches this supply zone. Possibly. You have to see what's up. Let me go ahead and put my 15-minute supply zone on gold for the next upcoming week. Keep your charts clean. Keep them clean. Ooh, supply zone. I meant supply zone. All right, got this set up. Map your way to the millions. Map your way to the millions. This looks like it wants to be a W. You got this impulsive move right here, going to here, going to and up. Probably want to get you a sale from here. That's possible. Just got to understand where you are in the market. You got to understand where you are in the market and on what time frame. That's the real spill. You could do that with any single pair. So the points of interest, and we're gonna close this. Your points of interest, your areas of interest for buys and sales, it has to be an unmitigated imbalance that led to a BOS or a change of character. An unmitigated imbalance that led to a BOS or a change of character. Those are the entries. Unmitigated imbalance that led to a BOS or a change of character. Break of structure or a change of character. This is unmitigated. This mitigated this right here. Sold off and did what? Led to the break of this low. So looking for possible sales right here. Seeing what the market wants to do when it opens back up tomorrow. See if we can get internal buys because we're bullish internally. Nice M right here. Maybe the market wants to come back down and refill this. We don't know. We got to see how the market reacts. All right. I appreciate each and every one of you for taking time out of your busy schedule in order to listen to what I have to say. It is always greatly appreciated, and I would never ever take it for granted. Have a safe, blessed, productive rest of your super Saturday. Know that I love you, and as I always like to say, God created us on purpose to fulfill a purpose. So, what purpose are you willing to fulfill? And always remember, don't be one of many. Be the one. Always continue to read. Always continue to adapt. Always continue to learn. Always continue to grow your mind and not shrink it. Because if you're not growing, you're shrinking. That's just a reality. Everyone take care, and I'll see you on the next YouTube live next week. I will be putting out, if you're in my Telegram chat, in the description below, it's free Telegram, free trade community, free trading signals, Zoom calls 5 times out the week, minimum of 1 hour at least, and dropping value, dropping free value, dropping free sauce. Right? Take care. Let's have a safe, blessed, productive week ahead. Let's also have a safe, blessed, productive, profitable week in our accounts. Take care.